So I don't know if I'm going to throw this down on the videos or not, but these are going to be some 35 caliber slugs that Steve gave me. I don't know the weights. I'll find out later. Oh my God, guys. Group of the day. Look at this. Hold on, let me get this so it doesn't blow away. Oh my God. One, two, three, four, and then one way off here. That doesn't look like the right size though. It is. So 1, 2, 3, 4 in this 4-inch cluster group. You're you're looking at 2.5. From center to center with the one that flew out, which isn't a flyer, it was all human error. 4 1/8 inches. Wow, though, that was the group for today. Can't wait to show this one. All right, guys. Like I always say, be safe and have fun. I'll see you on the next one.